back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing very well. So today is another look, another video is all about autumn look. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you still waiting for? Please consider to subscribe on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a video. And a very big thanks to all my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. I appreciate you guys for keep on turning in. May God bless you all. So today, as I said, is all about autumn look. As you can see, it's all about autumn look. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, stay to the end. See you guys on my next video. Bye. So I'm trying this concealer from Kiko. That is what I'll be trying. Maybe I will blend it together with my normal concealer Elegant. Just apply it so before blending in. So I'll do the same thing on the other side. So I'll be blending all together with this my favorite brush. Yes. The eyeshadow I'll be using, I'll use from Juvia's Place and Revolution. First of all, I'm going for the Revolution palette. So I'm using this orange color here. I don't know if you can see it's orange color here. So maybe they have the color I need. Yes, there's the color. So I'll be picking from this green color here. So I'm using this brush here. Just a little bit. I'm coming back to blend it out. this brush here. So I'm taking this dark color, black color here. Star Girl. Using this brown color here. So I'm using mascara. Final result. See you soon. So I'm taking this brown eyeshadow. That is the finished look of this tutorial of this autumn look. Yes, if you know you love this video, you watch it from beginning to the end, and you enjoyed this video, you love this full look of autumn, please give it a thumbs up and share with friends and family.